Join me as we quickly create a design that we have on the screen. I'm going to be trying to just make this rough enough so that I can quickly use it, like in form of my masking tape. We call this the paper grid method. So let's go. So get a flexible wire like this. Place it across where the opening of your shoulder stop. Just place it across it. You can see that they are not at the same spot. It's a bit slant. Just make it a bit slant, not outrightly slant, just a bit. So it doesn't have to be obvious, but make sure that your wire or whatever you're using aligns with wherever this top, the opening, this slit on your shoulders. And if your shoulders does not have a slit, just measure about 5 centimeters. Yes, just measure about 5 centimeters from the upper part, from the edge of your shoulder. So we have this. That's the first part for the design. Now the next part is you want to ask yourself, how wide do I want this midi to be? So the width you want will determine exactly where you are going to start with the other curve. So let's say you just want it to be about 3 centimeters wide. You can just place your ruler or your tape from that line. So let's say I want it to be 3.5. So if this is what I want, and if I want it to be 4, let's say I have it here. So let's say I'm using 3.5. So this is coming out here. Don't forget. So I want to start with this outer part. I'm going to make it come out. It's not like this. It came out a bit like this. And on the other side too, you also have that coming out. So I'm trying to fix them one after the other. So with this, I have 2 options. I can decide to go ahead and just trim out the cuff that way. I can also decide to do this. Let me cut this upper part, since this is a bit straight or slant or whatever we want to call it. You can see what we have there. So I'm going to still maintain where the cuff is. Can you see me maintaining where the cuff is? Then check which of them do I want to use. Which of the curve, is it this or the other side? So if I'm using this one, in case I even want it to come down a bit more, I can decide to cut from there. I'm sure you can see what I just did. So can you see what I have? Can you also see what I have? So even it can actually go down much more. You can see what this looks like. You can make it go down much more. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So when you want to cuff it, you let it cuff down more. So you can see what I have at the end of the day. So this can actually cuff more. I hope you know this can cuff more. So I believe with this you should be able to create yours and then share with us on our Instagram page. You can tag us at Jibbyfemforte, on our Facebook at Jibbyfemforte, so you can see what we have. So go ahead and create yours. This is what this looks like, but like I said, you can make it come down a bit more and then you will be definitely good to go. I love what I'm saying. I think I love the simplicity of this. And then this is what I got when I did mine. This was my result when I did mine. I decided to add an accessory and this is what I've got. Yeah, so don't forget to join me. Of course, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you the process with which I created this. All we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor Odurole Mujibola. I'm going to catch you next time.